Okay, so we're at the grocery store. You have your list there. Let's see the list. I'll walk through and help you grab the high stuff, and you put stuff in the cart and push your cart, and it's your shopping, okay?
Okay. We need mini white marshmallows.
Alright.
Let's have them in the cart. Pudding. Chocolate pudding. You only need 2 of these. And what we do with these, we split them up in the cart.
One out of here, Ed.
That one bottle up there.
That one?
Yep.
What is it?
Chocolate whipped cream.
Alright.
What do you do?
Welcome, valued customer.
Put
If
in
you
the
have
bag.
your shopper's card, scan it now.
No, keep scanning all your items.
If you are finished
Just
scanning,
hold it, we'll
touch
scan it.
Pay now.
It's looking for the barcode.
I'm looking for it too.
Remove all purchased items.
Do I put
Pick
this?
it all up and put it in the cart.
Boom, boom, boom.
Welcome to Real Easy Cooking with Robert. I'm Robert, and this is...
Add.
And today we are making a chocolate parfait. I got this idea while I was making the fruit parfait the other day. And I thought, you know, I can make this a lot better. And I can even really kick it up a whole lot if we went straight up chocolate. So we're doing chocolate everything. And I'll explain this as we go. All right, Ed, first thing is we're taking the chocolate graham crackers that we used in the other episode for speed cookies. We're using these again. So take that and a spoon and break them up. Can you do that? You might want to hold the spoon, hold the bowl too, and you don't have to hit very hard. Second option, we can try this. Since you're having a bit of a mess problem there, take a slightly smaller bowl, we put it in there, and you just push down. You want to try push on a little bit? Okay, let's lift that out. Shake them around a bit.
Pretty good course machine.
Yeah, isn't it? The two bowls are close to the same size, so they want to sit real close together. These crackers break right apart. And it doesn't have to be glass bowls. You can use metal bowls. You can do this on the side then. Just push on the side and get them all. And voila, cracker crumbs. That's almost a pudding cake pan right there.
Yeah.
All right. And set that aside for now. What we want to do is we want to add a little drop of chocolate sauce to the bottom. You see? Try adding a drop of chocolate sauce to the bottom. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's big. That's plenty. That's more than a drop. All right. Now we're adding some of these. They're chocolate marshmallows, but these ones, if you bite them in half, are filled with like a chocolate powder also. So it's chocolate and chocolate. You want to eat that? Fine, I will.
Yum, yum.
Put one dead center in the glass. That's why we put the chocolate sauce in there, is to hold that in place. Next, we put a few little white ones around there. Somewhere sells chocolate mini marshmallows, but I couldn't find them when I went to the store, so we have white ones today. Add a few of those in there, around the edge. What we're doing is we're hiding the big chocolate one at the bottom as a surprise treat at the bottom of the dessert. A few more for you. There you go. Now, yeah.
Whipped cream.
Yes, but this is not just normal whipped cream. It's
It's chocolate.
chocolate, of course. I'll do the whipped cream so you don't get carried away. But we just want to put a thin little layer. Oh, this is on the one. Thin layer.
That's more of an oven.
Well, it won't be once we put a little sprinkle of crumbs on it. Sprinkle of crumbs. And now, a pudding. Do you need help peeling? I'll be able to help you with this, huh?
Can I
Do
also
something.
lick the lid?
Yes, you can lick the lid. Of course you can lick the lid.
I even
Lids
lick,
are made to be licked.
I even lick the stains out.
If you don't lick the lid, you can just take the lid and slide it on the side and then still reuse it. All right, you ready? You take your pudding cup and you scoop it into the middle on top of your contraption. Ideally, you would want to make your own pudding with boiling milk and doing all that, but this is real easy cooking, so we do it the easiest way. We buy pudding cups.
Whoop-a-doo.
Add another pinch of chocolate graham crackers. Add some white marshmallows. What do you think goes next?
Whipped cream.
You're right. Was that because my hand was on it? That's what I wanted to do last time. Just a little bit of whipped cream. Now, since I went a little heavy with the first whipped cream, we may not be able to fit a full pudding again in there, but we can try. Because remember, you still got to leave room for whipped cream on top.
When does
Oh, that's right. I need to open that for you.
this come into play?
That is at the very end. There we go. And just scoop that up on top. All right, now what do you think goes next? That's right, more cracker crumbs. A little bit more on top. What that does is it helps keep the layers separated and adds a little bit of flavor. Next comes
More whipped cream. Yours is falling over.
I know, mine's going sideways. Oh well.
Yeah.
Next comes Well, actually, we should add, let me pour this on there first. A little bit more chocolate sauce. That goes around the edge. This will hold the last row of marshmallows.
I'm just loving this, Dad.
All right.
I'm
Next,
gonna gobble
we take
this
some marshmallows one by one and place them around the edge. That's to make it look pretty. See? Adds a contrast in color. You find contrast in color in food makes it look pretty. And you eat food with your eyes first.
Two fell.
See? Put them in there. Just go ahead. Add some. Add these.
Can I rip my fingers off?
Well, you mean lick your fingers off because it's all chocolate? Go ahead. Next, you just do this with a little chocolate powder and a fork. You just scoop a little up and shake it in the fork.
This will be yummy.
Hopefully it doesn't come out in a big clump like it did on mine there. Besides a mess I made on the counter.
Those are digging spoons.
These are right here, your eating spoons. What do you think? Turn around, look at it. See, that's what I wanted to go for, was that. Different layers, clearly visible. How about you? Did you get some clearly visible layers? There's a good clearly visible layer. Oh, right there. Look at that. Here's a pretty side. All right, dig in and tell me what you think.
One fell.
Very chocolatey. I'm glad we have non-chocolate marshmallows. The one at the bottom's real good. Never use those ones at the bottom in ice cream though, because they turn rock hard and are nasty then. Just a tip. All right, well, this is Real Easy Cooking with Robert and Ed, and we're
Done.
done.